Today I am going to tell you about how to create a Wikipedia in Python. For that you required some packages which are speech recognition, Python to text to speech, pywhatkit, datetime, Wikipedia and pyjockes. How you will install it? Just go to the Google and search there where you will get the link. On Google, when you type search recognition, then you will come here by using the link. This, when you say in Google this one, then you click here and you will get the package. Here you have to copy the link and go to the pycharm where you have to paste it into terminal and then press enter. It will install one by one all your packages which you required. Then go to the view menu and here you will set the enter presentation mode so you get it properly what I have written in this. For that I have imported speech recognition as SR, then pyttxx3 for text to speak extended form version 3, then pywhatkit to get the summary, and Wikipedia date and time. It is an inbuilt package, so you will get the information from that package, date and time. Then pyjockes, it will tell you some jokes to you. Then I have defined the microphone where I define the information. I take the information from source. SR is the object which I have created by importing the speech recognition as SR, as I already told you in some more my previous lecture. Then define the microphone taking the information from source through microphone. Here I print a listening, so I could understand now microphone is ready to listen my voice. Then I define the listener. Listener will listen the source and assign to the audio variable. Then there this will go to the, then listener will recognize the Google command where they get the audio understand by Google and set the language English. Then this command will come from Google. I search in Google, then this command, then go to the lowercase, and then I said if Alexa in command, then talk command. There I have defined a talk command. Listener will listen and recognize your voice and convert into the convert the text into the voice. Voice, you can change the voice in male or female voice. For male voice you have to write voice as 0, and for female voice you have to write 1. Then when you call for the talk function, your talk function will say whatever you will get from the Google, and you speak your information here. It will tell the information to by taking it from the Google. To run the information one by one, you have to define again another function which is define Alexa. Here you take the command. When you take the command, then it will come here. In take command function, it will listen the microphone. The listener will convert into the listen whatever from source. The listener will convert it into the audio form. Here it is a listener which recognize the text whatever you get from Google and convert into the voice, and then come here again, then print the command which it will get from the Google, and which you give to the Google, and then first command I am leaving because it is taking the ad which can give me a copyright, so I will tell you later, through which this command you can play song, you can play story, you can play poems, you can play ghazals, many more things. So I will make an album for that, and I will tell you later it. Now just I have defined else if time in command. Then when you say else if time in command, it will tell you a time and import it time from the date time package, and then I set the format strf time IMP. So I is for 12 hour, M is for minute, and P is for AM and PM. Then print time, and top current time is time. So let's see how it will do. Just press run.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you?
Please tell me time.
Current time is 11:52 a.m.
So it will give you a time. Then next, who is? I want to ask the Alexa to take the information from Wikipedia about some person. So here you say, who is Salman Khan?
Going to give you up the next who is. I want to ask Alexa to take the information from Wikipedia.
So
Wikipedia began with its first edit on January 15, 2001, 2 days after the domain was registered by Jim Wales and Rhys Sanger.
Sorry, I am late. Please tell me, who is Salman Khan? So it is not recognizing. Just run it again and find out what you want. So I have tell who is.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you?
Who is Salman Khan?
Abdul Rashid Salim Salman Khan, pronounced SL Manzan, listen, December 27, 1965, is an Indian film actor, producer, occasional singer, and television personality who works in Hindi films.
So it is giving the answer which I have told him just now, and then I have defined.
Please say
how.
command again.
Stop.
Please say command again.
Stop me. I stop it. Now I have made who is in command. You understand it how I have made it? Person equals to command dot replace who is, because in command we won't want any other thing. I exactly want who is Salman Khan. So it will replace the who is from blank and give you a person Salman Khan only, and then info equals to Wikipedia summary person comma 1. Then Wikipedia search that particular person information and return you as I show you in a program. Then I have made what is. What is will you know something about what is wood, what is water, what is whatever you want to ask. Then even same way you have to define it, and you have to replace what is with blank, and then exactly it will tell about the thing. Then print the information and talk the information. When you print information, then it will display the text, and when you talk the information, it will goes to this function, and here the engine will say whatever you said, and I made it generalize through taking the parameter text here, and it will speak whatever it will get from the Wikipedia. Then why? Then where? Then when? I have defined all those questions word which you can get. Then I have defined a story. It will tell you the simple small story then I have defined the date, and then I have defined the joke. So you will get jokes also. So run one by one and get each and everything from the Alexa. So run it.
I'm your Alexa. What can I do for you?
Who is Priyanka Chopra?
Priyanka Chopra Jonas, pronounced pyjockes, born July 18, 1982, is an Indian actress, singer, and film producer.
So it is giving you. Why
Say
water
command
form?
again.
Why you run video? So it won't understand it. Now just again run it.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you?
Why water form?
A waterfall is an area where water flows over a vertical drop or a series of steep drops in the course of a stream or river.
So it understands waterfall. So it is giving water. How water form?
Please say command again.
Won't understand. What is a run again it and find out.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you?
How water form?
Please say command again.
What is water drop? You understand it?
A drop or drop is a small column of liquid, bounded completely or almost completely by free surfaces.
Where is Delhi in India?
Delhi, English, Hindi, Delhi-Dil, Punjabi, Delhi-Dil, Urdu, Delhi-Dhl, officially known as the National Capital Territory, NCT, of Delhi, is a city and a union territory of India containing New Delhi, the capital of India.
What is a photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is a process used by plants and other organisms to convert light energy into chemical energy that can later be released to fuel the organism's activities.
Why light spark?
A spark gap consists of an arrangement of two conducting electrodes separated by a gap usually filled with a gas such as air, and to allow an electric spark to pass between the conductors.
What is a alcohol?
In chemistry, alcohol is an organic compound that carries at least one hydroxyl functional group back to a saturated carbon atom.
What is a periodic table?
The periodic table, also known as the periodic table of elements, arranges the chemical elements such as hydrogen, silicon, iron, and uranium according to their recurring properties.
When worker work in factory?
Please say command again.
Tell me a time.
Current time is 11:59 a.m.
Tell me a date.
Please say command again.
Tell me a story.
Tell Me a Story is an American psychological thriller television anthology series created by Kevin Williamson for CBS All Access.
Tell me a joke.
A programmer walks into a foo.
Tell me a joke.
Number of days since I have encountered an off by one error, 0.
Tell me a joke.
There are 10 types of people who understand trinary, those who don't, and those who have never heard of it.
Tell me a joke.
How many prologue programmers does it take to change a light bulb? False.
So it has some scientific joke, so it is giving this. So I have shown you all of type of questions here, and you can make your own Wikipedia. Thank you viewers. Today this is all.